Hey guys, welcome back. Now I have downloaded all the videos, not videos, the Kafka. I'm sorry. I have downloaded all the Kafka softwares, and what I've done is that, as you know, that we had created folders within folders and within folders. I've just took it out and created under one folder, and the reason for that is because it's simple. If you are trying to open a command prompt and if you are trying to navigate within folder within folder within folder, it becomes huge. So I've just created one folder called Kafka, and within that I've bought these two folders. So now you have Confluent, the community edition, the local edition of the Confluent, and the open source. Now in the similar fashion, if you go to the Ubuntu, which is the WSL Windows Linux, and here I have the Confluent folder. It's empty at this moment, and here you have the open source, which I've just got it outside. Now I'll just navigate within Confluent, and there's empty, so that's okay. We are going to go to the command prompt, type WSL, and wait for some time. So yeah, we will navigate within home, integration anarchy, Kafka, Confluent, yeah, ls minus lrt. Now what we are going to do is that, as you can see, it's empty. The first thing is that how we copied open source. We use Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and we copied it. But if you are using Linux, how do you get the software? So as the name itself says, get, you're trying to get it. So we'll take this star file and place it over here. How do you place it? By using a command called as widget get, wget, and wget. I'm going to copy this URL, right click, copy link, right click, copy link. See, if I just paste it, see, it's automatically asking you to download. So and the same action will be performed over here, wget, paste it. Let's see what happens. I think there was an issue, I guess. So let's see what happened. Wget. Okay, let's try with the Apache Kafka here. Let's see if this works. 3.5.0, right click, copy link address. Let's see if that works. Okay, see, that is working. See if you can see, we tried to copy this particular one, which is nothing but Kafka, this guy, source.tz, and we use that same link, copy link, and here HTTPS, and it's, as you can see, it is downloading it. See, in a similar fashion, I wanted to perform even for the community edition, but for some reason it did not pick up. Let's see this. So here you have the tar version. If I click on download, copy link address, let's see this, if this is actually works or not. Or let me try with a zip one. Let me try with zip one. Copy link address. Just let me close this. Control C. Control C is where you close it. ls minus lrt. Oh yeah, you have a couple of files. Just going to remove it. rm minus rf star. That would clear off everything. Yeah, I'm trying to get the zip file, wget, paste the URL, and I'm not sure whether this will work, but let's see this. No, see, that's a problem, because here the command is not, the command is different. It's just that the link what was given to us, it's not compatible with the one that you have to use to download it. Yeah. So in that case, what would be the URL? That's okay, need not worry. See here you already have this installation guide. Click on this installation guide. Let's see what happens. So installation guide, and guys, let me accept it. This is a bunch of commands given here. See, the URL is here. Can you see this? Tar. See, URL is here. So that URL doesn't work. So this URL should work. The one that I'm trying to download is the local one. See here, I'll take this as it is. Okay, and clear it. ls minus lrt, it's empty. Again, I'm going to clear it. So now you see, wget, paste the URL, and voila, it's downloading it. And the similar way, let me open another tab, WSL, and here this time I'm going to download the community. So installation guide, click on this, and there you have the current Confluent platform using only Confluent community components, but that's okay. Let's see which one is getting downloaded at this moment. Oh, it's downloaded already. Cool. You have this one, ls-lrt Confluent 7.5.0.sar. Let's see this. Let's compare the one, this URL, and the one that we have pasted already. Let's see this, if it's both of them are same. io.archive 7.5.0 tar.gz, it's same. It's the same URL. So if you are in the get this software, if you're in the Confluent platform, this is the one using only community components. Then I think we need to get to this guy. Yeah, see here the difference is that, can you see this? Confluent community, and here this Confluent. Yeah, so let's get into this guy, and I'll say wget, paste it. Now you can see even the Confluent community is also getting downloaded, but here they have used a command called as curl. See, curl, but I have used as wget. Let's see the difference between curl and wget. So curl command in Linux, what does this mean? That's okay, we'll take one of the example. As I said, okay, this is the first time you guys are hearing it out. I am a huge fan of not creating the PPTs or documentation. The reason why I don't create PPTs or documentation is that because anyone who creates a PPT or documentation would be anyways copying it from somewhere else. So instead of me creating a PPT and document and giving it to you as a part of a resource, it will just, I'll be just kind of making you more lazy not to read any documentation. And to survive in IT without documentation, it's impossible. And hence, this is how we are going to learn it. We are not going to prepare a documentation, but I'm going to redirect you where you have to look at it. Okay, cool. So let's see this. Curl is a command, not girl, guys. Curl, curl, is a command tool to transfer the data to and from a server using any one of the protocols. And here we used HTTP, I guess HTTP, which here, let's see this, which command we used here is HTTPS. Okay, so here you have HTTP. Yeah, curl is powered by libcurl. This tool is preferred for automation since it's designed to work without user interaction. So this is one curl command, but I use wget command. Wget stands for webget. The webget is a free non-interactive file downloader command. Okay, so let's get to this guy. Wget is a non-interactive network downloader which is used to download files from the server even when the user has not logged into the system, and it can work in the background without hindering the current process. So you have a couple of commands you have for wget, but at this moment, if you being the Unix, if you're using for the very first time in the Unix, wget or curl makes no difference for you guys at this moment, right? At this moment, but all you have to know that you can use even curl or get. So let's use curl now. Since I've already used curl wget here, you have two files. If you can see, you have two files, ls-lrt. You have two files. Just for the demonstration purpose, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one directory, mkdir. Just I'm going to say that demo. Okay, I'm going to go within demo. Demo is empty. Now you can say curl. Okay, and obviously, if you can see, the way how it's interacting is different. If you can see this, the entire UI is different. Not UI, the way how the representation when you use get and curl are different, totally different, right? See, it's totally different. Before we had a completely different version of representation. Now it's showing something else. Now can you see this? Obviously you would have downloaded it by now, ls-lrt. Yeah, and one more thing on curl command. If I use curl command like this, and what's the name of it? The name is Confluent. Okay, whatever you have downloaded, that's the name it has given here. Now I'll do something else. I'll give it as say this. Before that, let me check the path. Yeah, so PWD, present working directory. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this okay, and paste this path which I'm in right now. Okay, and here I'm going to say Manju confluent dot tar dot gz. Just making it up. Now let's see what happens after this. Okay, just let's see what happens after this. Okay, just wait for it. It's almost done. So what I've done, so it's as usual, I've used a curl command, and one of the parameters, this is the file name which it needs to be downloaded. I'm saying that whatever file you are downloading it, make sure that you place it in this path, but this time instead of this name, you keep it in this name, right? So it's like this name. Let's see if that happens. See, this minus LRT. Not sure what happened. It should have been there here. Let's see if it's somewhere else. Okay, not sure what happened. Let me try to remove this and see if this works again. Okay, let me see if this works again. Curl minus, okay, link, and then here I'm going to give minus O. Just give me a moment. Let me see if this works. Okay, I've just deleted it and I've given this path, and I hope it should have a name of its own. Okay, let's see this. Yeah, there you go. As you can see, it has been renamed to Manju.confluent. This name has been renamed to this guy. So that is what I wanted to show you guys. So with this, you even have this kind of flexibility to change it and work it out. Okay, so that's one of the points of curl command. But anyways, I wanted to bring that up. I'm navigating back and I'm going to rm-rf. I'm going to remove this folder. Yeah, I don't want demo because it's demo. And here now you have two files. One is the Confluent local and Confluent community. Now I'm going to unzip it, one of the community folders, which is sudo tar minus xvfz, the name of it, which is Confluent. Come on. Okay, just let me copy this as it is. Okay, Confluent, and I'm going to say minus strip1. Let's see what happens. And obviously it will ask for password. That's quite natural. Did I give the wrong password? Okay, it's been 123. That's the password. Oh, no such file exists. Why? Okay, let me give the permissions here. I think here you have issue with the permission. Let's see. Let me fix this. chmod 777 star. I've given all the permission now. Okay, now let's see. Sudo tar minus xvzf and Confluent. Now you can see. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to give the strip. Okay, but still, see, it has created this folder. Now you can see this, which one I have just executed it. Let me see if I'm able to go back here. Come on, I hope you have it. Yeah, so I've just used the community edition. See, I've just used the community edition and I've unzipped it. So let's go back to our Windows part of it in Confluent. Let me refresh it. As you can see, there you have it. It's the community edition. Yeah, community edition that I've kept it, and the other one is local. And this is something that I will leave it to you guys how to work it out. So I'm not going to use local, and hence it's not that much of an importance to me. So I'm done with this. Now you know how to play around with the commands. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this as it is, Control X, go back here, paste it. Yeah, so I'm navigating a little bit path here. Now see, you have the two version, which is the Linux and the Windows, the Kafka open source and the Kafka community edition. Now obviously you can rename it if you want to move Confluent Kafka with Confluent Kafka community. Yeah, you can rename it as well, so not an issue. But anyways, I'm going to leave it as it is. For me, it doesn't make a difference because we are only going to use the Confluent community edition and the open source. With that, I'm going to close this video. In the next video, we are going to see how to start the Kafka broker in Windows and Linux. With that, let's close this video and see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.